Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW Network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. Well, welcome back to Self-Care Saturday. Welcome back to week 48 of our 2021 Wellness Challenge series. So, if you are new to the channel, I'm a social worker and I talk about self-care topics for social workers and other licensed mental health professionals that we can all utilize to maintain our wellness while we are providing essential mental health services to our clients. So back in week 40, we introduced the SAMHSA 8 dimensions of wellness. Today we will be discussing the 8th dimension of wellness, which is improving our emotional wellness. Okay, so the emotional wellness dimension involves the ability to express feelings, adjust to emotional challenges, cope with life stressors, and enjoy life. It includes knowing our strengths, as well as what we want to get better at, and living and working on our own, but letting others help us from time to time. All right, so let's examine 3 areas to improve our emotional wellness, starting with feelings and emotions. So let's consider the following questions. Do you allow yourself to be open to and acknowledge your feelings without judgment? Question number 2. Have you found and developed safe relationships with people or groups where you can express your feelings and thoughts? Question number 3. Do you see challenges as opportunities for growth? Question number 4. Do you recognize your limitations and learn from your mistakes? Question number 5. Are you taking responsibility for your actions? Okay, so the second area that we can work on to improve our emotional wellness is self-care. And that's what this channel is all about, right? So let's consider the following questions. Question number 1. Have you joined support groups or thought about starting one? Question number 2. Do you write your thoughts in a journal, listen to music, or talk to family or friends when you are in need? Question number 3. Have you tried yoga, breathing, meditation to remain calm and centered? Question number 4. Are you maintaining a daily routine? Question number 5. Do you leave yourself plenty of time to get to work and other obligations? Question number 6. Are you eating some meals without distractions like checking your phone or watching TV? All right, the third area that we can work on to improve our emotional wellness is stress. So let's consider the following questions. Question number 1. Are you learning to manage stress in ways that work for your lifestyle? Question number 2. Do you recognize stress triggers and appreciate that you are not your feelings? Feelings are fleeting and will pass. Question number 3. Do youってand cultivate positive, empowering thoughts and emotions? And my last question in this area specifically for my social work and licensed mental health professional colleagues. Are you practicing what you preach to your clients? You talk to your clients about coping skills, but are you actually utilizing those coping skills yourself? Okay, so before we finish, I just want to remind you all to review the SAMHSA Wellness Guide. I have left a link to the SAMHSA Wellness Guide in the description box. So again, the SAMHSA Wellness Guide discusses all of the 8 dimensions to wellness that we've covered in weeks 40 through 48, which include physical wellness, intellectual wellness, financial wellness, environmental wellness, spiritual wellness, social wellness, occupational wellness, and today's topic again, emotional wellness. So regarding today's focus on emotional wellness, I would also ask you all to watch my previous videos on exercise, positive self-affirmations, self-compassion, triggers action plan, mindset, mindfulness, laughter, music, maintaining friendships, mindful eating, personal responsibility, and support. Alright, so I want to thank you all for watching this video. Again, for all the social workers and other licensed mental health professionals, thank you for the work that you do every day for your clients, for your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to support each other and yourselves. Bye for now.